Well, coming into race day, Saturday, Detroit Supercross. Obviously, we're going to go over the Supercross injury update, and there's some crazy ones in the 250, so stay around for that because I didn't hear about these, and you might want to also. But starting off in the 450, because obviously that's where we start. Dylan Ferrandis is out with a concussion after his multiple head things, whatever. He'll be gone. I'm assuming he's probably out for the whole season at this point. Like, let's be honest. Brandon Hartraft, again, the always out guy. Sucks to be him. Again, road to recovery. You can look it up. His probably needs some help with those medical bills, so look it up if you want to. Marvin Musquin is out with the wrist again. Colt Nichols is out with the head injury, or he went down in practice in Daytona, so I don't know, maybe concussion, something like that. Doesn't say much about it. Justin Rodbell out with the Achilles tendon. Again, one of those guys who's going to be out for all the time. Malcolm Stewart, another person with the knee injury and the subsequent surgery to fix the knee injury. He'll be out for a while. And getting into the 250s, this is where things get interesting. You've got the normal guys, Seth Hammacher, PC. Got that green team curse right now, whatever. He'll be out. Preston Kilroy with both of his broken wrists, crazy enough by itself, right there. He's out. Garrett Marchbanks with a wrist injury. Apparently he's back on the bike and riding, but who knows? Michael Mosman is banged up. No specific reason they listed, but he'll be out. And this is where things get a little bit crazy. Bubba Polly apparently went down in Indianapolis, and I'm reading this off the RacerX website, whatever you want to call it. Says, quote, Polly went down in Indianapolis and had some unfortunate luck resulting in a severed thumb. That's not unfortunate luck. That's horrible. He underwent a 7-hour surgery to have it reattached. If you want to look closer look, you can look. It's Bubba Polly on Instagram. If you're weak stomach, probably don't look, but that's pretty crazy right there. And also, Larry Reyes, ankle, liver, shoulder, head. Quote, again, I'm reading this off of the RacerX thing. It says, quote, Reyes, who unknowingly came into Indianapolis with a fractured ankle. I don't know how you do that. I don't know how you don't know your ankle's fractured. Whatever. He's sustained in Daytona. Had a bad night Saturday, suffering in a grade 5 liver laceration, fractured shoulder, and a concussion. He's out for Detroit. I didn't even know there was grade 5. I don't know. I didn't know there was grades to how bad you can lacerate your liver. That sucks. But crazy. Nick Romano out with the knee. Joe Shimoda out with the collarbone. Apparently he's working out again, so he'll be back probably sometime soon. And Jalek Swell out with the horribly broken arm, and he'll be out for a long time. But yeah, the 250. I mean, between Polly and Reyes, that's insane. But in the comments below, you tell me, who do you think's gonna win? Who do you think's gonna come back sooner? I don't know. Did you see any of these, the Reyes or the Polly thing? Because I apparently missed this completely. Whatever it is, comment down below. Who do you think's gonna win? How do you think? Do you think Cooper Webb keeps the red plate? Do you think Hunter Lawrence just wraps this up here? Whatever it is you want to do, make sure to comment down below. Like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it helps me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.